Another unboxing video going on today. It's an item that I just got in the mail today. Actually, just got it from UPS just now. Went upstairs and grabbed it. It is a pair of active noise canceling Bluetooth wireless headphones. These are, I believe, over the ear. Yeah, they're over the ear because I can't stand the on the ear ones. They are by JBL. I'll just bring the box right here. Here they are. They are JBL 750 BT NC, which obviously stands for Bluetooth noise canceling. Got them from the JBL site, so we're gonna go ahead and open them up here and see what's inside of them here. Got a couple. Let's see here. Usually these are up here. Oh, it's down here. So we'll just slice this open here. That. Open. So we've got. Only thing I didn't like them how they do have the old-fashioned micro USB. Obviously, it's to save money, which I can overcome. We've got to make the 3.5 meter headphone jack to use them wired if needed. And we've got the actual headphones themselves. Not as big as I thought they were going to be, but they should work. They fit pretty nice. Let's see, got right and left in there. Yeah, they fit pretty good. I got a big head. Gotta adjust them. Got the adjuster up there. Oh yeah. 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 Not too bad. You get the quick start guide. Like I said, that's about it. We got power, noise canceling, I'm assuming, volume up and down on there. You got your 3.5 meter phone jack, and then your charging section right there. So like I said, we'll give them a shot, see how they fit, how they work and stuff. So they're kind of smaller than I thought they would be, but they're fairly comfortable, so that's kind of nice. But I'll get them charged up and paired to my phone, and I'll give them a shot, and I'll create another video on that. Catch you guys on the next one. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. Later.